In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a reel cover on Planoly. This process simplifies managing your social media content, especially if you're looking to keep your Instagram visually appealing and organized. Let's start by navigating to the Planoly website, which is a fantastic tool for social media planning and management. Once you're there, you'll notice the login option on the top right corner of the home page. Hover over this option to view the drop-down menu, and then you're going to click on Social Planner. It's here where Planoly really shines, allowing users to meticulously plan their content across different platforms. Upon clicking on Social Planner, you might be prompted to log in. Please go ahead and fill in your credentials. If you're new to Planoly, you'll find the sign-up process to be straightforward, requiring basic information like your email, a password, and perhaps a few additional details to get your account up and running. Once you're logged in, you're ready to dive into the heart of Planoly's content planner. Here you'll find the Planoly Social Content Planner page. Look for the New Post button, which is your gateway to uploading new content. Clicking on this takes us to the crucial step where we choose our content's destination. At this stage, ensure you're selecting Instagram as your target platform by clicking on Select Channels. This process is integral because it aligns your content with the correct social media page, avoiding any mix-ups with platforms like Pinterest or Facebook. Next, decide on the type of post you plan to upload. Since our focus today is on Instagram Reels, click on the Grid Post option, which then allows you to select Reel as the specific format for your upload. This specificity is critical for aligning your media with Instagram's format requirements. Now it's time to upload your content directly to Planoly. You'll see a drag and drop section, or you can click to navigate through your files and choose the reel you wish to post. The visual representation of your content starts to take shape at this point, offering you the first glimpse of how it will appear on your Instagram feed. After uploading the reel, the next step involves scheduling. Click on Select a Date to choose when you want your reel to go live. This feature is invaluable for maintaining a consistent posting schedule without the daily hassle of manual uploads. Also, ensure you pick a time when your audience is most active for maximum engagement. Before you finalize the scheduling, there's one crucial step left: setting your post to auto post. This setting is where the magic of automation happens. By enabling auto post, Planoly will seamlessly publish your content at the scheduled time, offering you peace of mind and freeing up your schedule. Finally, with everything in place, from choosing the right platform to scheduling and setting up auto posting, click on Schedule. And just like that, you've successfully planned and scheduled a reel post with a cover on Planoly. This process not only streamlines your content strategy, but also ensures your Instagram feed remains visually appealing and engaging for your audience. A few additional tips to maximize Planoly's capabilities include experimenting with different posting times to find when your audience is most engaged, using Planoly's analytics to track your post performance, and taking advantage of the visual planner to ensure your feed maintains a cohesive aesthetic. By now you've learned how to add a reel cover on Planoly, a process that leverages efficiency while enhancing the visual aspect of your social media content. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or someone who enjoys keeping their feed organized and visually appealing, Planoly offers tools and features that simplify social media management. Feel free to revisit any of the steps outlined today to refine your approach, experiment with different types of content, and ultimately make the most out of your social media planning and scheduling. Remember, consistency and quality are key to maintaining an engaging and visually appealing Instagram feed. Thank you for joining me today. With these steps, I'm confident you'll enhance your social media presence, tailor your audience's experience, and perhaps most importantly, save valuable time in your content creation process. Happy planning, and see you in the next video.